What's up guys and welcome back to another video. I'm 7beats and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a soulful Afrobeat in FL Studio. If you're interested in the sounds which I'm using, make sure to check out my African sample pack volume 1, the link is in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Start off by setting the BPM to 110 and I'm going to start off with a piano melody. So I'm going to use the Wurli V2 from Maturia and I'm going to pick this American Small Room preset. And I'm going to create this melody in F sharp minor. We're going to start off by using these notes. So we're going to use this F sharp, A, B. So now just copy these notes and put them right here. So right now we're going to add some more notes within the scale. That's really fire. Alright, here we're going to make an adjustment to the chords. So we're going to use the D flat right here and just play around with the chord. That's fire. Alright, here we're not going to repeat this one right here. We're going to use just one bar chord right here. Like this. That's really fire. So right now I'm going to add a melody on top of this one. We're going to start off by using this A flat. So just duplicate this one. Really fire. And maybe just repeat the sequence right here. That's really fire. So right now I'll just press Ctrl X. I'm going to use this melody using the guitar. So I'm going to use the ample guitar SH. And I'm just going to use the default preset. That's really fire. And right now we're going to add some short notes in between. So I'm going to select the 1/6 step right here. We're going to add notes like this. Make the notes a little bit shorter. So we're gonna add this one right here and also one right here. So right now I've played around with the melody for a while and right now it sounds like this. Played around with the velocity. And I've made an adjustment to the melody right here to make it more interesting. So right now I'm going to add another element. I'm going to use the Wurli V2. So I've just copied the melody into this one and removed the root note. going to remove the tremolo. So right now I'm going to add a saxophone sample. So I'm going to use arcade. So I'm picking this preset right here. I'm going to use F sharp minor because that's the key where our beat is in. And I'm just gonna play around. Turn on the volume. That's fire. So like this. That's really fire. And right now we're going to add a bass line. So I'm also going to use an ample bass. And I'm just going to use the default preset, I think. And right now I'm going to copy the root note from the melody right here. Copy it into this one. Like this. Turn it down 1 octave. Really fire. Already really liking all the sounds and the melody. So I think this is it when it comes to the melody, and right now I'm going to add some drums. So I'm going to use my African Sample Pack Volume 1. And first I'm going to select the kick. So select this kick right here and just normalize it. Just remove the tail like this. And right now I'm going to pick a snare. So I'm using my Afro Future Sample Pack. So I'm using this one. And I'm just going to create a basic rhythm like this. So I'm going to create a pattern like this. And maybe just play around with the key of the snare. So right now I'm gonna pick a head right here, this one, and this one. And I'm going to add something like a roll right now. Like this. I'm going to add some more percussion to this beat. So percussions. So I'm using this one and this one. So when adding this percussion, make sure to play around the velocity. Like this. Duplicate this one. And right now press Alt R and randomize the pattern. And right now we're gonna add some toms. I'm going to use some bongos. So I'm going to use this one, 14 and 15, like this. Just duplicate this pattern, like this. think this one is not really in key. This one. And right now I'm going to paste it into playlist. I'm going to add a shaker loop. I'm going to select this one. Just the volume. I'm going to add some swing to the beat, around 20%. So now I'm going to add the kick pattern. So right now I think this is the final pattern, and right now it sounds like this. So the arrangement should look something like this. And that's basically it. So right now I'm going to create an arrangement and guide you through the project. So it took a while before I finished this beat, but I think the outcome is just really awesome. So first I'm going to show you a preview of this beat. And I think the transition from the guitar to the saxophone is just really awesome. And the piano is coming in. Really fire. So right now I'm going to show you the adjustments I've made to some of the elements and just show you how I've created everything. So for the guitar, I've added some effects. So I've added this retro color and just the vinyl 1 preset. Then I've added this EQ just to reduce some of the annoying frequencies from the guitar. And then I've added this reverb. This Valhalla Vintage Verb, and just added a bright hole and just added a little bit of reverb. So then I've added this drum roll right here. It's this fill. Then I've added this tom, this one. Another one. This one with a lot of low frequencies. And also another deep percussion, this one. And all these elements are linked to the mixer. So these are all the elements right here. And these are all linked to this bus right here. And I've added this reverb. So when creating a drum roll like this, make sure to add another reverb. You could use this reverb, but also the fruity reverb too. And then make sure to cut out the low frequencies from all the toms to make sure your mix sounds really clean. So that's this part. So right here I've created this transition. Right here, the drum roll is coming in again. So I've added this white noise effect right here. This one. And I've cut out all the low frequencies so it really blends well together with the reverb clap right here. And that's basically it when it comes to this beat. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to let me know down in the comments what you want to see in one of the next videos, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.